how to purl. So there are two main ways to purl, just like there are in knitting, and I can show you the way that I like to do it first, and then later I'll show you the other way to do it, and that might actually be a better way for you if you're a crocheter learning how to knit. But here's the English version, and it's actually kind of the opposite of the knit stitch. So the knit stitch, you go up through the front loop, you have your yarn in the back, and you wrap it around and take it off the needle. So with the purl stitch, your yarn stays in the front. You stick your needle through that front loop down, hold on with your thumb so the needle doesn't slip out, and then take your yarn and wrap it counterclockwise around the needle and then pull up and off the needle. So again, that's down through the front loop. You have your yarn in front, swing it around counterclockwise, and then pull up and off the needle. And if you find that the purl stitch is a little awkward, I actually like the knit stitch better than the purl stitch, and so you're not alone in feeling that way. But it is an important stitch to learn because with just the knit stitch and the purl stitch, you can make some really incredible things. Like, they're very versatile together. So definitely make learning purl stitch your priority. And now I can show you how to do continental. So for continental purling, what I like to do is use my pinky finger to anchor the working yarn and then hold for tension with my index finger. And so this is kind of what it's going to look like when you purl this way, but you don't want to knit into these two stitches because those aren't actually your stitches. So this first stitch is going to be a little more awkward than the rest. So bring it down so you can see that's actually your first stitch there. Now put your needle through, then bring the yarn around counterclockwise like that, and then pull up and off the needle. And now you can hold your yarn like this. You don't have to worry about any tricky stitches. So you go down through the front, bring your finger down like this, and up off the needle. And again, down through this loop, bring your yarn down so it runs counterclockwise around your needle, and then bring it up off your needle. And that is continental purling. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment below. I want to know what you're working on.